Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best driving school located on Copenhagen, Denmark. Why I am telling you this driving school is best because of my personal experience. He have cars like automatic cars and gear cars also. Which car you preferable? Accordingly, you can register there. Driving school name is a DS Kriya School. Sorry about the pronunciation. Located on Norrebro. I already put an entire information for this driving school address, the person name, person mobile number and email address also, so you can contact very easily using those key points. And I'm mentioning here some of the important points. This driving school are providing you several languages, like example English, Danish, Punjabi, Hindi and Urdu. So I have no idea about the Danish language, but he speak English outstanding, Hindi is outstanding, Punjabi because of he is originally native in Punjab, so he speak Punjabi very well, as well as Urdu. So if you are belonging India, Pakistan, Bangladesh or Asian continent, so this driving school is helping you to better understand for the driving rules and how you learn much more information using this person. So the person name is Dilbar Singh. He teach us, he came from India 1979. He offers the driving courses for the Danish license for category B, ordinary car, manual, automatic. He teach in many different languages also, English, Danish, Punjabi, Hindi and Urdu. For the automatic point of view, he have own Tesla Model 3. Couple of days ago, I just used this car to complete my driving lesson. He providing me just only 4 lessons and I am very confident to drive my new Tesla Model 3 car. So and just I'm randomly search for the Facebook like Indians in Denmark. So I saw his name there, and so couple of people are providing comments. Okay, he is a very outstanding. Just last Friday I called him and asked some of the question, are you available on Monday morning to give it to me some of the lesson, because of my car delivery is the 29th of December and he is ready. He came to directly on my house parking on time. He picked me and providing me some of the lesson, and my personal feedback is outstanding. Even he providing me detailed information of the specific Tesla car, how you open the backside dicky, how you open the mirror, and what is the advantage of this both mirrors, how you deal with this car, what is the automatic, autopilot. He providing me all information, not just like a pathetic drivers like okay, this is driving license, this is gear, this is driving seat, this is gear, accelerator and drive the car. Not that like this. If you are contact with this person, you can feel like this is a family member are teaching you the car. He is very focused, confident and rule-based person. He are providing you all information very informative way, and prices are very cheap compared to the other driving school. Suppose for example I call 2 driving school, and one they are providing me same automatic car, but I need to go the specific location, and this driving school charges 50 krona getter compared to this Dilbar Singh. He charges with me just only 500 krona per session. He came to my house parking and also dropping on my house. So this is some of the advantage of this driving school. The driving school name I already mentioned in the video description. You can visit and contact them, and especially if you are in Indian, so you can share this video much more people. So last but not least, why I am making this video, because of this person are not making his own personal website, so I thought I can create this video and reach much more people, because of he teach very politely, very positively, and I learn much more thing just only 2 days. That's why I'm making this video. He have no Facebook page also and not website, so I thought how people are reaching you. So he say okay, mouth publicity is enough for me, but I thought I can make this video and share my personal opinion in Denmark audience, and especially on Indian audience come to the here, so you can exchange your license, you can join the driving school and get very easily license. If you need any other help, you can comment me. Definitely I will reach out as soon as possible and reply you. If you really like this video, so definitely share others also. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.